Okay, welcome, guys, students, to my math lesson. I just ended my Zoom meeting with my students over at the school. So this is for next week's project about math. So for you guys that don't know me, I have been doing math for 250 years, and I have studied at the University of Idaho and the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, and graduated top of my class in both of those instances. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna open up Paint here. It's a great mathematical tool, and you know, you just want to draw like this, and then we say no to that because, you know, we don't want you drawing, right guys? So this next week we're going to be working with the rectangles. I don't know if you guys, you have probably encountered a few rectangles before. They look basically like they look basically like they look basically like this. So this is a rectangle. Oh, I gotta touch it up a bit so it looks better. So I'm gonna show my fellow professors here. I'm gonna show them actually what I'm seeing on my screen, so they can see right now. Are you with me, professors?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
I am math.
this is a rectangle, right?
Yeah, affirmative.
Now we want to this. We want to know how much this is, okay?
Of course.
So
the area
of
the rectangle.
Yeah, inside of the rectangle. We want to know how much that is. It's very easy and simple. So I would say this side.
play.
This side is like. Yeah, I think it's a 5.
Now that I see it, it's really. Is it a 5? I mean,
This is a 4. We can
think
all
you're
agree on that.
mistaken.
It's a 4, right?
what?
We might need to reevaluate that later. But
Oh.
yeah, go
well,
on, Professor.
yeah. So,
Go on.
what you want to do
Wrong.
here
It's wrong.
to calculate this, you can basically think of. You want 5 of these. That's it. So you need that. And what you want to do now, you want to take 5 times
Age.
4. No, we'll get into that later.
You're 4 years old.
Equals. Guys, quickly. 5
Professor.
times 4. Quickly.
0.0 because there's 2 numbers.
That's
Like-
20. That's 20. No, just play along. It's right. So you have
Yeah,
20.
let's play along.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Guys, come on now. We're recording. So you have 20. You want
Face.
Larry? I'm gonna have to edit that out later. So you have 20 here, and now you could just say 20 centimeters squared, right? That's what this is. But us mathematicians, and you'll know this if you're like studying math or if you're working with
If you're
math.
a child.
If you're not a child, if you're working with math or studying math, or if you're good at math, you
Minor.
will know this, that the more numbers you have, the better, basically, right? So you want to how can we write this? So we can do. So what I would like to do, I like to do this. I like to take 5. That's this number right here. This times same the x, that's times that multiplies with the next number. So 4 from obviously over here. You see 4. So yeah, we have the 5 from here. And we have the times 4. And now you see here, how many geometric shapes are we working with? Easy question. 1 times 1. Do times 1 there. And now we have 20, right? So what you want to do here to kind of inflate this number, to kind of further prove that you're right, you take 20 centimeters squared, right? Plus, we can take whatever number we see fit. We can take 4. We can take 8 if we want to.
Stretch.
No, we can take.
Even 6?
We can take 6.
Even
And-
6?
Yeah. So what we have here now, this is very important to note. Now we have 38 centimeters squared. You see, because, and this is very important. Write this down in your notebook, kids, because here, what we have here is here we have 18, because 4 and 6, right? They become 10, and 8 plus 10 is 18, right? And you'll know this if you've studied and if you've done last week's homework. So now you have 38 centimeters squared, right? But we can still fiddle around with this. We can play with it. So I like to play with the numbers and make it like a story, you know? So we have 38 cm squared, right? Basic math. And we can he maybe meets who does he meet, guys? Yeah, I agree. He meets 7. So, and they go on an adventure. And what letter is that's A, right? So A, that's 4. We all know that. He goes on an adventure.
Like a 4.
Yeah. So he goes on an adventure and then he stumbles upon, of course. You guys know this. You guys, I've told you this story before. Guys, what's the next step?
7.
Exactly, 7 dice. So here we do minus 7.
He knows.
I do know.
And then we have actually plus, because from him dying he gets joy.
Yeah.
So we have a 9
course.
there. Right?
He's a bad man.
Yeah, so right now we have
An equation.
an equation, right? So right now we have 38. Yeah, that's not important. Let's screw that. So what we have now is the area inside of here is x, right?
Your voice
That's
is kinda
x,
picking up.
and it's equal to
I think he's sweating.
5 times 4, right? We all know this. We all know this. 5 times 4 equals x, right? So you here that is 20, right? We've already gone through this. So and you
He's
see,
sweating.
you see here 20. Now, guys, what would you advise the next step to be? To kind of prove that we're right. That it is in fact
So
that
we have
number.
to go back.
Exactly.
Trace back to the origin number.
Which is 1. So we have 1 times 666, obviously devil's number. He was one of the first, God,
Obviously.
devil. Yeah, so we have 666, which is the devil's number.
Is Satanism.
Yeah, we hate Satanism. We want to kill the devil.
Whoa.
So what we do, we divide because we want to. We want to.
By Christ's number 777.
We want to. Here is the devil, right?
So that's my number.
So what we want to do is we want to behead him. And your head is actually like a fifth of your body weight. So you do divided by 5. You'll know this. And that is equal to this number. So, what have we learned here? I can show you, like, to kind of illustrate. So, the area is equal to side times side. Okay, and you'll know this if you've studied last week's homework. So, next week we're going to be working a bit more with binomial distribution, and we're going to be studying actually, the what percentage of body weight the heart takes up in a frog. So that's next week's homework. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson. Goodbye.